All right, here's our espresso maker. I've never done this before in my life. So it says to unscrew the top part, so I did, and this is what it looks like. Step number 2.
To espresso.
Say yes-o to espresso, Mr. Fry. That's Mr. Fry saying. Okay, step number 2. It says there's a safety valve. I don't know whether that. Wait a minute. I'm guessing that is the valve. It says up to, so I can't guess, but it looks like I'm gonna have to. It doesn't say what the valve, where it is. Oh, that's step 2. So put water in there. See the water? And then step 3, put this little filter thing in there. Okay, this here I got for $3. So it says do not pack it down and to just fill it up. Right, step 4. I put the coffee in. It says don't pack it down. Yay. I'm on the phone. With my BFF, and she had a really good point. Go ahead, Joanne. Tell them what you think.
Just put the coffee in and a little bit of water, and then you'll have like really, really strong coffee.
Exactly. So what a genius. What a genius. I knew I liked her for some reason. She knows how to think. Okay, so it says to put this thing back on. So you twist it on, and that's what we're going to do right now. But I need 2 hands to do it, so I'll be right back.
Just twist with the one hand.
Oh, yeah. Okay, the water's in. Below the safety valve, if that's what they're talking about. The coffee's in, not packed. The top part is twisted on. And now
we're ready to go?
I think so. Let's see. Heat espresso maker on low to medium temperature until coffee bubbles to top. And how am I supposed to know when that happens? Remove from heat and serve.
Don't touch this.
Wait, what goes in here?
I don't know. This sounds too complicated.
It does.
I don't know.
Wait a minute. Wait, I don't understand.
Then add some water, drink it like that.
Wait, what? Oh, I see. And then the coffee, you pour it out of here. Okay. All right. Here we go, skis. So we're going to put it on. Yeah, right. It says, whatever you do, make sure the handle does not get hot. So we'll have to move it over here to the edge. And it also says to use one of these mitts. So it says to low to medium. So we'll go right in the middle. So good luck. Do your thing. You know, it really is quite foolish if you think about it. Joanne, my BFF, is totally correct. Why all this espresso machine really is, not even a machine, but is a small coffee pot with just a little bit of water and strong coffee. So you could take your coffee, put it in the filter like you normally would, and just add a little bit of water. It's not that difficult. Good morning, Mishlik. We appreciate the Amish life as far as modesty and hard work. That's it. And we are devoutly Catholic, so that's why I call you Mishliks. I am going to reveal the horror. Are you ready? Now, mind you, when I'm done with this, it's not going to look anything like this, and nor should it ever look like this. However, when the winter comes, this is what happens, okay? And it's not that we're disgusting people. It's just that there really is no shed of any kind that I can put all this stuff in. The one we have outside is a honky-tonk, horrifying. Is that okay to do? Is that an insult? I don't know. I'm going to reveal to you the horror of our mudroom. It's really embarrassing, but it is what it is. All right, you ready for this? Hold on. Sit down. Whatever you're doing, even if you're busy right now, just sit down. Just give me a minute, okay? Go sit down. Ready? Are you there? Okay. Bless you. Bless you.
$5 and you know who's gonna win.
All right. This is not the mess. That's supposed to be there. Now, my son took out all the boots because he was looking for something. This horrible thing I gotta fix. I got all my cans over there, which is very minimal compared to what was in here. This is all garden stuff that I just store away for the winter. You have your ice melt there. That's probably going in the basement now. And I got some giveaways over there. A broken bench that is being held up by buckets, and I got that for free, so I'm going to use it. We have bikes that have to go in the basement. We have basketballs. We have dirt bikes. We have chairs for the summertime that go outside. We got boxes and boxes from Miffy that we probably don't need all of them, or maybe I could put them in the basement, you know. All right, so all of this will be cleared out. All of this will be cleared out. Look at it, look at it, look at it. And these are shoes that I will put away. Actually, no. These we're going to be using. All right. And then a mess over here, okay? Despicable. Look at it, look at it. Horrifying. Horror. Horror.
This is Lisa Fraud, the Catholic gun school.
Yes, it
Back
is.
at it again.
Oh, whoa. Okay, look at.
We live in Los Angeles, California.
Oh,
2125 Hercules Drive, Los Angeles, California.
Yeah.
Remember that place?
Yes. Look, hey, you, come here. See that plastic bag right there?
Yeah.
All those shoes, except for the big rain boots, they have to go back in that bag. All right, Graham has to go into work and get all her stuff because she is going to be officially retired once we get the paperwork in. But look, you can tell she's back to normal.
And my 3 favorite words are, you're under arrest.
Yeah, these are handcuffs. All right, so I think she's looking back to normal, people. Keep praying. Are you done yet over there? I'm waiting. Cans are going in the trunk. All right, I'm putting the cans in here just to get them out of the way. And I really need to bring those back as I go to Market Basket, not waiting till there's about 4 carriages full. And I'm gonna put this rug back, I got this from the dollar store, back into the car. Isn't it funny? It's like I'm not even doing anything major, right? If you watch usually like a television show like the Brady Bunch or whatever it is you want to watch. Oh, I can't open that door. The thing is, usually there's like a theme of some kind. But when it comes to the YouTube these days, there's really, we're just recording our lives. All right, so I'm gonna lay this down right there. Right there it is. I am trying to keep my car decluttered these days. I have to do a massive washing in here, but we all know nothing is gonna happen until this party's over. I was out cleaning the mudroom and look what I smelled. Woohoo. Do you remember in one of my videos I showed you these little boys bouncing on those little bouncy things you hold on to, right? And I said that I had one for a grown-up. It's true. All right, this is some pretty dark coffee. Look at that. Looks like mud. Wow. I think I'm gonna get all the chores done for the birthday today after this coffee. Don't mind all the yelling, they're playing those Xbox 360s. All right, here's the reveal. I put a ton of milk in there. Well, coconut milk. It's freezing cold and it doesn't taste like anything but my normal coffee because of what I just did. All right, all of these are in the mudroom and I just want it to be a pleasant place to be. So this is going outside. Okay. So I did put the boots up there. They're kind of unsightly, but I really want the space. Usually I put them down here. I'm just going to keep them up there. They won't fit in the bottom, so they're kind of in the view, away of the view. And next, so I sweep everything onto the dustpan or out the door. So let's continue. I like to move my way around. Are you ever that type that just like you bounce over here and then over there? I try to stay focused, do one section, now I'm going to go over here, and then so on. All right, this coffee is doing pretty good. It's not, doesn't taste espresso-y because of the coconut milk. If I had regular cream, then definitely. And I wouldn't have had to use so much and it would have actually tasted like espresso. It doesn't taste like that at all, but it is really good. I'm talking to them. I'm going to take a deep breath. Do you know why? Because I have to get ready for this party and I don't know how. See, usually I am time management queen with all of this. I used to do this for a living. I am a professional party person. Yes, I am. So I know exactly what needs to be done. But throughout all of this, I had no idea that my mother would require all of this attention, which is better than a party, right? We have to keep her safe. However, yeah.
I put my glasses down.
Hold on.
And
All right. So before I was rudely interrupted. No, I'm only kidding. No, you're not. Sarah, go get the basketball over there.
I can't have to put feathers on it from animals.
So pick it up and bring it here.
Can't.
Then kick it over.
All the way over there.
But it feels really good to have those phone calls done. I was able to make more appointments for her, more referrals every day. I dread sitting down making those phone calls. If I sit down and make one phone call, that ends up to at least over an hour. But she went with my sister right now to go to her job and clean out her desk and talk to human resources about things that she needs to know for retirement. And so that's great. And tomorrow, a day that I'm supposed to be utilizing for this party, I have appointments from 9 all the way until probably 5:30. How is this going to happen? and vlog for you guys, and feed my family, do laundry, clean the house out, go shopping, cook. Okay, dear Lord, you know what this needs? It needs one of these. Can you hold this for a moment, please? Just on me like this. It needs one of these. My grandfather used to do double. This is the kind of symphony I don't like. I had a cup of espresso, and it's really stressing me out. What is that? You got it, ladies and gentlemen. I love pasta. So this is actually a black bean pasta with tofu. It's 1:35 and this is my first time eating today. Okay, this is delicioso. It really is. I put olive oil in here. If I had pesto, I'd definitely put that. I put onion powder, of course, garlic powder, of course, black pepper, sea salt, that's all I had, and basil and oregano. Delicioso. Okay, it's many hours later. Not that it took me that long, but between everything else, I'm going to show you. You remember the before? Horrifying. And now the after. Okay, all of that is going in outside. And it's going to rain, so I don't want to put it out yet, all for my guests. Okay? Those are Miffy's boxes. One is a car seat and another one for whenever he needs another toilet. Steven's boots gotta get out of here. The bike's gotta get out of here. The chair we leave. The big plastic things will probably cover that. And so it looks pretty good, right? Nice, huh? So everything's still gonna be emptied out, and then we have the Christmas lights at the top for at night. We put the radio on. It's a beautiful place to be together. St. Michael the Archangel, defend us in battle, be our safeguard against the wiles and wickedness of the devil. Restrain him, O God, we humbly pray, and do thou, O Prince of the heavenly host, by the power of God, cast into hell Satan and all the evil spirits who prowl about the world, seeking the ruin and destruction of souls. Amen. Here we go, a caroling along. Look, physical therapy. Okay. Why do spiders do so well in computer class?
Because they're good on the web.
Yeah, they're good on the web. Get it? All right. While we are sitting here, I got this from my Sodality group. Strange Gods, Unmasking the Idols in Everyday Life. And I wonder what they could be. Okay, it's almost 3 o'clock, and since I'm stopped at a red light, I might as well do it now. Eternal Father, I offer you the body and blood, soul and divinity of your dearly beloved Son, our Lord Jesus Christ, in atonement for our sins and those of the whole world, for the sake of his sorrowful passion, have mercy on us and on the whole world. You know what's funny? I feel like I'm always in the car at the 3 o'clock hour. Why am I always driving around 3 o'clock?
right? You
Yes.
always are.
But every time I edit and I do the Divine Mercy, I am facing it to this clock. Honestly, look at Mr. Crow Man and Mr. Squirrel Man. See? I did my whistle and they both came instantly. I'm not getting weird with it. I learned it from you.
We're getting
Yeah, you did. Yeah. No, you did more bizarre things, like you talked to skunks and... Yeah, but you're also a lot older than I am, so... She's in denial. This is from the trash. Real big thing. Now, that's not dirt that's going to come out. It's just really stained, so eventually I can spray paint that. I've already washed it down. So this here happened because I did it. I threw it over the fence thinking it'd be safe, and then boom. So... I'm going to try flex tape. All right, I gotta use a razor blade to cut this. So let's see. I'll let you know what happens when I get it on. Let's see if it really works. As this lady I watch online, she says, "Does this thing really work?" We're gonna find out. All right, there's the tape. All right, it's very sticky on one side. There it is, sticky on that side, and I just put it here, I rolled it down, and then I took my handy dandy razor blade and I just cut it. It was super easy to do. So that's on one side. Now I have to go down. Okay, I have 3 different ones. Here, here, and then this one going all the way around because it was at an angle. All right, the thing is that it said to take out any air pockets, so you just gotta keep rubbing it over like that. All right, it says it could take up to 24 hours. So is this in fact going to hold? And I'm still gonna always keep this bucket underneath. I'll always keep it underneath this. All right, I noticed another little rip over here. So I'm not gonna put the bucket underneath. You know why? Because it made it really lopsided and everything. So maybe this is plenty. Who is going to be the tester? I really don't want to be the tester. Do I? Can't you do it? Will you? Please? All right, guess where I am? Yeah, since last summer. Yeah, we're gonna sit down. Oh, in this room for the first time. Ta-da!